only one on the carpet and two out there. I forget.
Okay. Well, your classmate here got the right answer. He was explaining to us about how if there was cold air molecules on this carpet, there would be more of them because you were stuck closer together, right? Than if there's hot air molecules. Okay, you can go back to your desks. Thank you very much for that demonstration. Great job. So why is hot air lighter than cold air?
Because hot air expands and cold air packs.
The air molecules, right? Separate, move around. And in cold air, there's more, so they are heavier. They weigh much more. Which one's heavier?
Cold.
Cool.
Et toi, bonhomme? Which one's heavier?
Cold.
Right. Yes.
So if I took 2 glasses and filled one up with cold water and one up with hot water at the exact same amount, would there be a difference in which one weighed more?
No, because those are water molecules. So you're getting into a different topic there. Here we're just talking about air, right? And this is the beginning of our lessons about flight. You've been learning some things already, but this is in terms of the development of flight. Me and my brother were very, very famous because we were the first ones to have people flying in the air in 1783. So, I'm going to teach you guys, just like me and my brother Etienne did, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your very own hot air balloon. Would you like to try that?
Sure.
All right. So here is your hot air balloon. Now, me and my brother, we were paper makers, I told you that, and we made ours look so beautiful. So here, you can work down here. You can add some stickers on yours to decorate your beautiful hot air balloon. So we have, this is for demonstration purposes. We have a plastic bag, and I have some paper clips, les trombones. Can you attach a few of these to the bottom of your hot air balloon without clipping them together, just around the edges of the opening? Yes. Yes, you may.
Here, Christian.
I'm Monsieur Montgolfier.
Can we call him Mrs. Mungo? It's kind of hard for me to think.
Sure, Mr. Mongo for short, or Joe is fine, yeah.
I'm going to call you Billy Bob. Can I?
Let's stick with Monsieur. That's a beautiful job you've done on your hot air balloon. Now, we need to make it rise. So what do we need to put in it
Hot air.
to make it rise?
Hot air.
Hot air. So now in 1783, we didn't have any of these fancy gadgets that you guys have now. This thing here, pour le cheveux, for your hair, apparently uses hot air. Of these here on the bottom.
What do they do?
Good job. They just help to provide a little bit of weight and stability.
Christian, you're not supposed to
All
close it
right,
up.
that's perfect here.
I'm
Okay. So, can I ask you, sir, what's your name?
gonna do that. Christian?
All right, Christian, can you please hold up your beautiful hot air balloon like this? Stand up. And you, sir? C'est quoi ton nom? What's your name? Stéphane. Can you add some heat to your hot air balloon? Now, when you feel it start to get buoyant, so feels like it's going to go up a little bit, then you need to stop, okay? Or then you need to let it go.
Let it go.
When you feel it pulling up. So he has to heat up the air that's inside of your hot air balloon that you've made here. It's a beautiful, beautiful hot air balloon you've made.
I think I feel it.
Lovely. All right, you think you feel it? Is it feeling like it's trying to pull up?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let it go and let's see.
No.
Not quite ready?
Sorry, I'm not a girl. I don't really use those things.
Oh, wow. Great. Thank you very much. Now, so, can anyone tell me what happened with the hot air balloon that you made? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? What happened?
It rise because there's hot air.
Yes. Miss.
Right? Because there's hot air in it.
That's
A lot of hot air.
a lot of hot air inside of it. And the hot air on the inside is different from what?
Oh,
The
cold air.
The cold air where?
Outside.
On the outside. That's so me and my brother Etienne didn't know so much about this. Like I told you, we thought it was our magical floating gas that made this work, but my scientist friend explained this to me, and you guys now know all about it too. So I'd like to thank you for letting me come to visit your class. It was very wonderful to meet you, Christian, Kira, Stefan, and I heard that my good friend the Wright brothers are coming next week to visit you and tell you, and Otto Lilienthal and his friends, to tell you about their glider plane. So I don't know if I'll be talking to them, but could you please say hello to all of them for me? And it was wonderful to meet you. Au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Now that you've seen my first attempt at using Teacher Enroll in a classroom setting, albeit a pretend one, in debriefing and sort of looking back and getting to watch myself on video and to do it, it's not a role I feel entirely comfortable in yet, doing the dramatic role as a teacher. But it is something I would like to become more comfortable at, because I do see it as a valuable tool to use in the classroom, and I can see where it engages students in a way that's different than just a teacher kind of up at the front talking to them about things. In this example that I used with a grade 6 science unit, I could see it being a weekly or even twice a week thing where you come in as the different characters, because that is part of the grade 6 science unit for them to learn about the key players in the development of flight and what their accomplishments were. So I think it would be a really fun way to integrate that learning into your classroom setting. I could also see it incorporating the kids into some dramatic play at the end, having the choice of choosing a role in the class to present their learnings about flight and the development of flight. So they could choose to be one of the characters in the end to present their learning. That could at least be one of the ways that your students could present their learning to you. So it would be a way for them to be using drama in the classroom as well, which is one of the key aspects of our curriculum, and encouraging our students to use forms of drama in the classroom. So I hope that you enjoyed my video, and I look forward to getting feedback from you. Thank you.